The law of assumption. What does it entail precisely? Fundamentally, the law of assumption acknowledges that our assumptions, beliefs, and emotions shape our reality. Imagination creates reality. Neville strongly believed in the power of the imagination. He frequently emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, highlighting how your imagination influences your experiences. By embodying the feeling of already having our desires fulfilled, we tap into the energy required for manifestation. Neville Goddard encouraged us to move beyond mere wishful thinking and completely embrace the belief that our dreams are not just attainable, but have already come to fruition. Envision sowing a seed in rich soil. The belief acts as the nurturing ground for the sprouting of your desires until they blossom into your actual reality. It's all about embracing the end result rather than just hoping for it. Stop waiting for your ship to come in and start setting sail, navigating the seas of your assumptions. In simpler terms, this concept suggests that you need to truly believe and feel the desired outcome. Dwell in the ultimate outcome of our aspirations by mentally inhabiting the state of already attaining our goals. By shifting our consciousness, we draw in similar experiences. Somehow, this desired reality will somehow manifest itself in your life. Imagine the sensation of already having that money, that career, that relationship, that house. How would you feel if you were genuinely at peace? Envision it, grasp onto it, and make decisions consciously in alignment with that reality. Assume the reality and witness as everything else effortlessly aligns. Embrace that feeling. Even though it may initially appear as mere wishful thinking, let's explore the difference. Wishful thinking often involves daydreaming and longing without a clear purpose or conscious involvement. It's akin to tossing a coin into a fountain and hoping for a miracle without actively participating in the creation process. On the contrary, the law of assumption is a deliberate conscious action. It involves assuming a state of being and embodying the emotions linked to the desired outcome. It's not a passive approach. Instead, it's an active engagement with the creative forces of the universe. Wishful thinking may leave you longing for change, but the law of assumption empowers you to be the architect of your own reality. As we delve deeper, you'll see how the law of assumption goes beyond wishful thinking, offering a concrete path to bringing your desired reality to life. Let's now explore the practical application of the law of assumption in your everyday life. You may already be familiar with the concept, but how can you transform these principles into actionable steps? Number 1 is your emotions, because feeling is the secret. As Goddard once said, it's not enough to simply think about your desires. You must feel as if they have already been realized. Emotion is the vibrational language that connects with the universe. Focus on the emotional aspect of your assumptions. Experience the emotions linked to the realization of your wishes. The more authentic and powerful the emotions, the more impactful the assumption. If you desire financial abundance, allow yourself to feel the joy and security that financial freedom brings. If love is what you seek, immerse yourself in the warmth and fulfillment of being loved. Your emotions act as the magnetic force that attracts your assumptions into your actual reality. Remember, feeling is not just a byproduct of assumption, it's the key element that accelerates the manifestation process. Number 2 is to specify your desires. Take the time to clearly define what you desire, be it financial freedom, a romantic relationship, or personal growth. The more specific you are, the stronger your beliefs become. I suggest making it a habit to write down your desires, be it through journaling or constructing a vision board. There's a certain magic in putting your thoughts onto paper that solidifies your goals. Number 3 is to create affirmations. Craft positive and present tense affirmations that mirror the realization of your dreams. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," affirm confidently, "I am successful and my success is inevitable." Create a few positive affirmations that resonate with your desire and read them daily. Allow these affirmations to seep into your subconscious mind and become the guiding force that shapes your mindset, empowering you to achieve your goals. Number 4 involves positive self-talk and crafting a mental script. Neville advocated for the use of inner conversations and mental scripting, where we intentionally direct our thoughts and internal dialogues. Keep a close watch on your internal dialogue. That little voice in your head can either be your biggest cheerleader or your worst enemy. It might whisper doubts and limitations, making you believe you can't achieve certain things or become the person you aspire to be. But here's the secret. You have the power to change that narrative. Whenever that negative voice creeps in, replace those thoughts with positive affirmations that align with your conscious assumptions. Through this practice, we have the power to shape the story of our lives and exert control over our external circumstances. Construct a narrative or story that depicts your ideal life. Envision each moment clearly and write out the dialogue and events as if they are unfolding right now. Number 5 involves visualization techniques. Neville emphasized the importance of enriching your visualizations with sensory detail to the fullest extent possible. Step into the shoes of your imagination and witness the world through your very own mind's eyes. By seeing things through your mind's eyes, you can make the scenes you create more personal and engaging. Take part in regular visualization sessions where you close your eyes and vividly imagine scenarios where your desires have already come true. Envision yourself living the life you desire, immersing yourself in the details and emotions of the imagined reality, whether it's financial abundance, a fulfilling relationship, or career success. Make sure to visualize the scene with great clarity. Number 6 is reflection and revision. Neville believed in the power of imagination to revise past events. It is crucial to regularly examine your assumptions and beliefs, especially when conflicting thoughts arise. Modify them to harmonize with your desired reality. The act of modifying assumptions is a potent tool in the law of assumption. If your current assumptions don't match your desires, remember that you possess the creative ability to revise and redirect your mental focus. Through revision, you can reflect on past assumptions, events, or experiences and transform them in your mind's eye. By reimagining and altering your perception of past experiences, you can change its impact on your present and future. Number 7 is the power of consistency and repetition. Consistency is the heartbeat of the law of assumption. It goes beyond fleeting thoughts or momentary beliefs. It requires a sustained and unwavering commitment to the assumption that your desires are already on their way to manifestation. It is absolutely crucial to consistently repeat your affirmations and engage in visualizations on a regular basis. By reinforcing these practices consistently, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with your beliefs and assumptions. Persistence is not about desperation or anxious waiting, but rather confidently and persistently assuming the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, even in the face of external circumstances that may suggest otherwise. Number 8 is to live in the end. Act as if your desires have already come true. Make decisions and choices based on the belief that your desired reality is your present reality. Number 9 is to express gratitude. Let your appreciation flow for the imagined outcomes as if they have already materialized. Gratitude harmonizes your energy with a positive vibration, strengthening the influence of your beliefs. Number 10 is detachment. Detachment involves releasing attachment to specific methods or outcomes for your desires. Have faith in the universe to fulfill your expectations in ways that may exceed your comprehension. Remember, detachment is not apathy, but a deep trust in the wisdom of the universe. Envision your assumptions as crafting the captivating tale of your life rather than leaving it to chance. You become the conscious author, skillfully guiding the narrative. It demands heightened awareness and a dedicated commitment to actively engage with your aspirations. As Goddard emphasized, consciousness is the pivotal factor in the law of assumption. The more conscious and deliberate your beliefs, the greater the effect on your reality.